Taurus, welcome in your reading in the Hinterland CargoCult Manifesto. During the wave spell of the seed wave spell is the last wave spell of the Blue Castle from the 9th of October until the 21st of October. So yeah, welcome in your reading. So let's see what we have for the Taurus in the Hinterland CargoCult Manifesto. And yeah, like or subscribe of course. But here 9 of Pentacles, yeah, the earth signs, Virgo, Taurus, Capricornus. Here we have again Knight of Pentacles, very earthly. Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricornus. Here I see you doing you're doing your work, but you really are in quite a harmonious energy. You're in the Four of Wands. Four of Wands is quite harmonic. I have a feeling you're very connected with nature or with your work. You're very connected here with nature or with agriculture or with work, with studying or with details. So it can also be lab samples, lab work or ground sampling here, what I see. Ace of Cups and Star, so can here all be about yeah, people who died, their bones or something. So you can be an archeologist or something here, for what I see. And we have, yeah, the King of Earth. So yeah, and whatever it is you do it by some kind of intuition. I mean, it can be that it is your real job, but King of Pentacles, you do it because you're supposed to do it. You do this because it gives stability. You do this probably because that's the only thing what makes you happy. Eight of Cups. 10 of Swords. So yeah, it's done with all the other things that don't satisfy you. It's just done, it's gone. 10 of Swords and the 9 of Coins. It really opened the gate for you. 9 of Sticks, I mean. It really opens the gate. It opens a life. You really don't have to defend yourself. You don't have to explain nothing to no one. I mean, you know it for yourself. I mean, just go for this, dear Taurus. Yeah, what makes you happy, Taurus. Here you are, King of Pentacles. So whatever makes you happy, go for it. 8 of Pentacles, the Sun card. Yeah, here look, you have it in your hands. Look at this. You have the sun in your hand. You have happiness in your hands. The High Priest. Here you are. This is Taurus. And the Queen of Swords. Let's talk about Taurus. Let's keep talking about Taurus. Taurus, North Node is in Taurus. So yeah, happy joy. So keep it stable. And here you are again. The Empress. Taurus. Venus herself. So these are your cards, Taurus. These are your cards here in the reading. So you're bringing in balance. I saw what you did in the earth sign readings, all the earth signs together. So and here you are as person. So we have for you matigheid. Oh yeah, I'm not sure that you're mixing up your energies with the other earth signs, but yeah, so what, let's go with the reading. This might be something to unlock, to be unlocked. You have back again the gate is open. But yeah, Taurus, yeah, there's something interesting for you. The Magician. Yeah, you have to create more for yourself. I mean, you have to create more consciousness. 2 of Swords. And Hierophant, clarified by the Hierophants. And the 2 of Wands. So you're really focused on yourself. You're focused on the Hierophant. You're focused on religion. So yeah, I did not mention, but I had some quite religious experiences last weeks. And I was planning to say this on one of the videos, and here I can say it in your chariot, in your video, the Hierophant. I mean, this is religion or religious building, but I'm getting your religious building is nature herself, is a cathedral, or your body is a cathedral. So that's a real experience. It's something tangible what we have in your reading, something real tangible here. The devil. Fire pony, 5 of coins, 2 of swords, and the king of wands. So yeah, I'm seeing you here doing something for humanity in a way. Ali, I mean, your consciousness, 2 of swords, about poverty, 5 of coins, and your actions, king of wands, what you take, and the fire it brings, or the happiness it brings, 9 of wands, because you're doing this. And the death card, the change, or you make a change. So it can be you're giving a building, or you're offering a building, or something here, 2 of cups. You offer to work together. The high priestess. It's like you offer to work together with someone of the holy lands, of the holy ceremonies, or someone who treats the land as a ceremony, as an altar, as a ritual. The high priestess and the reader of pentacles. This is someone who is yeah, some kind of, yeah, a hierophant, like you are, a Taurus, some kind of high priester or high priestess here out on the lands. So it can be you're looking into the Christianity or celebration that Christianity took from ancient pagan or ancient European culturalism or something. Yeah, 10 of yeah, coins. Yeah, 9 of swords, page of sticks. Yeah, here I see something that this is something like the genocide or something, or the witches who were burned, or people who were enslaved, or oppressed during generations here. And here is a cultural way or an artistic way to work or to express this. So something on the field here, on the lands again. We see the reader of pentacles. So very creative agriculture, or creative way to work with grounds, or to make divisions in ground, or to build on the grounds, or food or agriculture itself. Yeah, this is really the password again. The 9 of sticks and the judgment. Okay, I mean, I don't care if people think you are a clown on the field. You're not a clown. You're the hierophant on the field. You're the high priestess on the fields. I mean, wave your hair in the wind. Or even if it's not on the field, it's an autostrade. It's like on a bridge in the autostrade. I mean, just wave. Wave to the other shore. I mean, wave. It's your wave. Allee, it's really you here. For 9 of pentagram. Okay, so going out, 8 of coins and the kracht and the matigheid. It's like here you are really taking up effort to do something, or to go out and to wave your hair in the wind, or to walk your feet on in nature, really, to walk in the forest, or to walk on property where they're cultivating food, or to go watch it. So you can also scan it with your eyes, matigheid, so radio broadcasting, or scanning, or vision, registration, something. And here the kracht, so really, yeah, it's like you put something in your mouth. I mean, you eat the fruits. You really are becoming the fruit. The 9 of pentagrams. But it's all happening under the radar here. 7 of swords. So, I mean, probably in the dark or in the night or something, but there's, yeah, no one should judge you. I mean, you judge yourself. No one judge you. You judge yourself. You're the Hierophant. And what do we have as key cards? The 10 of coins. It's like these people are resurfacing. So ancient people are resurfacing, or ancient tactics, or ancient tribalism, or something. Or you're trying to find people. 10 of stones. You're looking for them, or they're looking for you, or you're visiting them. The Tower. And the Empress. Yeah, you're talking about electricity, the Tower, or you're talking about energy from the lands. You see her sitting in the crabs. Here you are, Taurus. You're talking about a windmill, or something, how to produce food. So it can also be cheese or a machine here to do something. Okay, we saw the agricultural machine revolution in the last sets of the readings, but here with the Tower it feels even more explosive, for me at least. And the Chariot, yeah, definitely the machine or the vehicle. I'm not sure what you're doing, if you are leaving out a machine or bringing in a machine or doing hand, but yeah, I'm not sure how you work, but I see here something very explosively beautiful. The Universal, okay. And the 9 of Swords. I think it's here about shape shifting of yourself, so maybe also shape shifting of these readings. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune, so definitely shape shifting here. So a machine that can shape shift, or the grain or the bread or the recipe that is shape shifting. Yeah, the Magician, so you are much more aware of what you use in landbouw or even pharmaceutical things, I hear. So alchemy, chemie, the Magician. Yeah, I'm hearing something about some new discovery, or I'm not sure if it's revealed or not, but you discover something. So let's read your cards. Overgave, surrender, de beminde, and the eternal embrace. Ah, so it can be here something like aphrodisiacums or something, or a new invention. And the hemelvaart. Yeah, next level, definitely hemelvaart. Uh-huh. So more advice for your highest good, and the highest good for all. So we have the Page of Fire. Aries also had a page, and suddenly you're here like a Page of Fire, like an Aries, like a fire sign. So you're acknowledging that you know nothing in a way, and that's why you can surrender and being open. You're really discovering things probably about food, or the body, or the earth itself. These are beautiful cards. Let's see. I prepared this deck for you. It's shuffled now, and let's give you your card. Four of Cups. I mean, Eight of Wands. You're thinking, what did I done? What have I been doing? Four of Cups. I'm not sure. You ordered something online and you're like, oh no, why did I order this? Or what should I do with it now? Or it's already on the way, even? Or it's to your address, or maybe you sent something to an address or of somebody. So Romance Angels. We have for you true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. Yeah, it feels very, very beautiful, very energetic. So I see a lot of colors. And Aries did got a card, mythical reality, so it can be an Aries and playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your youthful spirit of fun to shine. So it's like your the way how you make recipes, or how children are cooking. So it can be, this is about children, that people or children who played, for example, in the sand and make breads or castles, and yeah, they make like food, but it's not food to eat, but it still gives nutrition. For sure. We have the Page of Earth. Taurus, welcome. The Page of Earth. The Seven of Earth, Taurus. You are patiently waiting on things to unfold. So you have many more cards. You have two kings. Wow. You have a 10 of coins, so many people. And two kings, the King of Wands, the King of Hearts, and the Page of Fire again. It's like you are a page of fire, they are a page of fire, and suddenly you become kings of cups and kings of fire, because you show yourself. Other people see now what you become. Two of Cups, yeah, you have a relationship. Wow, congratulations, Taurus. You have a nice relationship. You're very loyal. I mean, who has got you as a friend should be very proud, dear Taurus. Statis, adaptation, change will be better than you think. Yeah, be flexible. So change. I know this is one of the things you find most difficult to do, Taurus. So here, this flower, the Limonium sinuatum. Aha. So that's the name of the plant. Status, statis. So this is a direct message for Taurus. I mean, yeah. And we have the white carnation, devotion. Be true and pure in thought and deed. So yeah, be loyal to yourself, what I bet you are as a Taurus. But adaptation, just go with the flow, dear Taurus. We have out fire. The element of fire heralds new life, renewed passion, and positive transformation. So yeah, you really are meeting up. I see Taurus, you're meeting up with a fire page, but you're a fire page yourself. So fire in the reading, and we have the mystic star. Oh, where did this come from? Harmony in the home and great friendships. Yeah, in the home. I have to check this now. See you later, Taurus. So each fly has their house. Yes. Bye bye, Mystic Star.